Hello. Just getting a few more things set up and then I'll work on the mod. Alright. So there isn't really much to do today, but what I'm going to be doing is, you probably saw on the Discord we have a few new models for, I believe it's the tiger, let me check. The tiger, the lion, and the leopard. The Emmer leopard, yeah. And then the iguana. So that's what I'm just going to be updating today. Yeah. So we'll start off with actually finding where this tab is. I'm going to start with the iguana because that has like the most drastic changes to it, I think. Wherever this folder is. There it is. Uh-oh, the Javas aren't uploaded to that one. Let me... Alright, we're gonna do another animal while we wait for those to get uploaded. I'm gonna start with the African lion then, I think. Yes, this one's up, okay. So there should be everything. I'm gonna, oops. I can't really show off what I'm doing on the other screen right now, so I don't leak anything. But I should have everything downloaded in a minute. Here we go. So we're basically replacing everything in here with this stuff, as this is all the new stuff. Got a lot of stuff to replace. So that's it for those. Let's open up this now. Let's see. The diving suit isn't really finished yet. I don't know what we plan on doing with that. What am I looking for? I don't think it's here. I did some stuff to it, so I can show that off in a minute. As soon as I find this program I'm looking for. Here we go. So this is just I just have to set up each of these models to work properly with Bookworm, so through this program. I just wrote for it. I've been told that 2.0 will be bigger than 1.0. Yeah, it will be. It'll be a lot bigger. There's a lot of changes already. So, let's see, to start off, we'll do the adult one, wherever that is. Hopefully you guys can't see this. Okay, good, you can. African lion, there we go. Don't need, yeah, we'll copy it over this way. When more blocks, plants, and rocks come to ZAWA. Most likely, yeah. I'm not sure how many or what exactly, but we've already added in a few of them in updates to 1.0 that were supposed to come in 2.0, but I forgot to remove them. Is this good? Okay, there we go. Fix the animation now. No, we won't be doing sticker eyes, Nikki. Hi, welcome. So let's try just this. I don't know if she changed any of the texture names. I'm hoping that they are not, but I'll have to look. Let's see the render now. Look at that mess of words. It doesn't look like there's too many changes. African lion female, okay. Yeah, this seems like it's good so far, but we won't know until we test it. Well, what do you think the next animal is going to be? There's a lot that it could possibly be. Alright. And the iguana's uploaded now. Oh, why am I making this bigger? Make it a little smaller. The iguana's uploaded, so I'll get to that right as I finish this one. And let me show you all the diving suit too, because you're asking about that. There's no model on it yet. When you wear it underwater, it gives you night vision, and then the flippers will have depth strider so you can walk around fast. But that's about it for them. When you're out of the water, of course, they lose their depth strider. But I think there's might be an issue if you actually do enchant these on your own, then it might cause them to lose the all the enchantments that you put on them yourself. So we don't want that at all. Okay, the animation's broken, everything looks broken. Perfect. Let's see what's wrong. There is a 6. Okay, why is that? Alright, some of them seem to be working. Will the octopus have different models in the future because they all have the same? No, it's just different textures. I think some of them are smaller though. Soggy, what about the great white shark name tag feature I suggested? Yeah, I'll get to that when I finish this because this is important. I want to get this update out as soon as I can. The blinks look broken also, as you saw there. We're gonna add more of these equipment type things for other biomes. No, most likely not. This is probably the only thing we'll be adding of that type. Alright, let's see what's wrong with the line now. African lion 1. African lion 2. Oh, I forgot the underscores there, that's why, okay. And then the female models, I'm assuming she did the same. No, different. So I think the female ones all might be good. I'm not getting any female ones, which is weird. Is it just a coincidence, or? Oh no, okay. It's just weird that it's just a coincidence. Their necks are broken also. I have to fix that for sure. Let's reload the textures and see what it looks like now with them all. Oops, still broken. Okay. Oh no, I changed the code, that's why. My bad. But we need to fix the blinking. But I'll just make sure that the regular textures first work. Okay. Alright, let's see. Yeah, they all look good now. Just blinking issue. Oh, this one's broken. What variant is he? Variant 0. African lion 1. It is male, right? No, it's female. What's wrong with the female one? African lion female. Oh, there's no one there. Alright. Are the game's animals meant to be for display and exhibit? Because I honestly think that they should be more. Yeah, they are more so designed to be for zoos and stuff, and it's kind of based around like how fossils and archaeology would do it, where the dinosaurs are more meant to be like tamed and kept in exhibits and such. That's kind of how I wrote this. Let's get the blinking to work now. You can't see this. There we go. Okay. So there's a few blinking textures. Let me make sure the baby is good also. I forgot that. Yeah, the baby textures are good. The blinking 1 and 3. So let me just change all of this to the new stuff. Ooh, there's only 3 now. Is there a baby blink? Oh, they're up there, okay. So there, and then the last one we'll get now. Alright, good. Go down to the blink textures. This is the child. So case 1, case 3. What is this one? This should be baby blink 1. Case 2, case 4. baby link 2, and then lastly case 5, case 6, return baby link 3. Are bugs 100% no for now? And well, I can't say that, what animals we're adding, or bugs or anything like that. What was that? Oh, I just said the child ones, but this is actually the adult ones. So they should actually be up here. What other changes are in the next update other than the models? Oh, here you go. Alright. We have configuration for the biomes where the animals will spawn. Exhibit glass panes. The baby giraffe and pangolin have animations. That was an issue before. There's more ordicts added for the eggs. There's more active movements. So the animals will... They have a timer that's set to be more frequent now. There's a world generation config, so if you don't want a specific flower to spawn in, you can disable it completely. The first on the change list, you can punch punch a vehicle and it will drop itself. I left this note in. You can still shift click though, because some people somehow did not know you could do that. Koalas are smaller. Amber leopard head has been changed. I don't remember how, but it has been changed. Changed the durability on the polar bear and tiger armor. The code has been cleaned up a lot. What I did this time was I deleted out a lot of the old comments and just unused code and just kept it in an old workspace. So if I do need the code back, I can go back and get it. But this file should actually be like around the same size as the new one, as the old ones. So it shouldn't be that big of an update file size wise. The item registration is cleaned up. I should add in the block too. Item and block registration was cleaned up. The world generation is a lot nicer now. I think I dropped it by 200 lines. Turtles don't have any egg laying ability anymore. That's completely disabled. And they're just bred like regular animals. Every animal will now recognize looting weapons when they consider their drops. Location detection for enrichment things have been reworked. Conform to the final standard for blocks and items. You don't need to worry about that unless you're a programmer, really. The flying models are loaded differently. So instead of like being a layer, it's an actual model change. Water spawns are fixed. Crashes on non-ZAWA based animals with the data book is fixed. Polar bear cannot stand while holding salmon. No more rotation for the monkey and koala when they climb. That'll be added back later probably. And they're fixed an issue where 0 would not disable the spawn in the config. Alright, and that's everything so far. And then of course we're doing all the new models, so when I finish all that, I'll add that to the list. So here, I gotta do this spot now. 1 and 3. Oh no. Okay, wait. I did do the baby blinks right. I have to do this one. Yeah. Oh, all right. I see where I'm wrong. So these are the same cases. They're just different. Like this here. The octopus does not have an animation yet. I haven't worked on it in a long time. Why do the turtle spawn points crazily spawn in the savannah? Also, are there that much? I think the issue with the turtles is because of the egg laying. So they lay 3 eggs. When they grow up, their children will lay 3 eggs. So you get like one guy will get you 3 more, and then each one of those is gonna have 3. So like that, and then each one of these 3 now, when they grow up, they're gonna spawn 3 more. So it becomes like a huge problem, and I think that the ticks was too low. That's probably the issue with that. So I've just disabled it completely until we come up with a better solution for it. But I don't think it It might not be something that comes back actually, but we'll still have to see. That should be all on the baby texture, on the blinking textures now. Let me add in the baby model, if I can actually find wherever I put it. Here we go. Then we'll have to fix the model. And like I said, no, I can't show off the octopus animation. It's not done. It hasn't been worked on in a while. This is called load, I think. No, it's reset. There we go. Alright. Will the octopus latch onto the player's face and attack you? Huh. I don't think that they're gonna do that. The only thing that I've made them really do so far, which is still a work in progress, is they will, when they're like on a block, they will change their texture to match that block. So that's basically what they do so far. Yeah, but no, that's like the only color change thing you're really gonna see with it. So let's hope that this all works now for the what's it called, the African line, and then we can work on the iguana. Alright, so that's good. Baby looks good. Animation is still broken, especially when it comes to the head, but it doesn't seem like there's any. Oh, there's one broken baby. What variant is it? 6. African lion baby 6. That's odd. So it has to be the texture name. African lion baby 6. Am I reading it wrong here? Huh. I don't think it would have to do with the gender of it. It shouldn't, at least. Let me get some babies in. There's another one, okay. This one's also female. And variant 6. What's variant is this guy? 4, okay. Maybe it's because no, that can't be it. That's very weird. I don't know what's wrong with that. I'll have to figure that out later, I think. Oh, but someone was asking about the whale. Let me show that. That's how big it is. They're very large. He'll probably float back up. There he is. Yeah. The lions are good except for their terrible animation. I don't know what that is there. What's that about? I wish I had Taboola. I deleted it and I don't want to re-download it. Let's fix this animation now. Let's see. Let me freeze them so I can actually get this done. Here. Oops, did not mean to click that. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna fix on the lion now. Do other lions have that texture issue? Doesn't seem like any others do, except for maybe it's the males only, and maybe it's. I think that might be intentional. the lion's next part of the animation. So let me fix the head first. I don't even have the taper model yet, so I can't really work on it, and it's probably not going to be an animal I work on stream, since it'll probably going to be like an easier one. Since it's going to be like not easier, like a more basic animal, it's not going to be as advanced as, like, say the sloth, which I might work on stream, I don't know yet. But let's fix the neck. Here, 2. Let's do plus 8.1. That looks good to me. You save the more special. Yeah, I try to save the more special or easier ones for stream, since I don't see how it could really be fun to watch me just sit here be frustrated like why the code is not working. So I try to save easier or ones that I think I can handle better on stream. The lions are looking good now. Let me check the babies. If I can't really get rid of that. But they look good also. Let's see. Oh, I forgot the legs. Let's fix that. Okay, where am I? The legs. Let's force the animation to walk. Get rid of that. And that. There we go. Okay, so I think this is the issue. No, not at all. So I want the thighs, and then I don't know what that part is called. It might be hand. Is it hand? Yes, hand left. Or maybe it's arm. It's arm, probably. Arm. Arm based. There we go, okay. Is that right? Yeah, that's it. Oh, so one of the modelers is telling me I can use the leopard animation if that one works. When will this version be added? This version will be added soon, hopefully. Yeah, let me just, and I'll leave this one since I just got it, but should be fine anyway. And then let's let them move again. They don't move fast enough. I gotta fix that badly. Speed should be like, I don't know, like 2.4. They move very slowly. What is up with that? Is that... Alright, I guess I will be taking the Amber Leopard. Make sure the head is not movable. There we go, okay. Fix the neck now to be oops, not there. Neck. Here we go. Plus 0.1. And here also should be. There we go, that's much better. Alright, I like this. This model is way better than the old one. Wow. Alright, cool. So these guys seem done. Let me kill everything. Alright. Now we'll work on, what did I say was next? Iguana. There we are, all the models are up, good. Oh, there's a resting model, okay. I'm gonna have to add that later. Alright, but let's start with getting rid of those. Let's see, lion model updated. Okay, let me close the game. Where is there? Alright, next, the iguana. Keep losing track. There we go. So here's what it is now. I don't think there's any new variants. I'd be surprised if there are. There's no blink, so I assume they're not supposed to blink, and that was just an issue we had before. I'm waiting for these to download now on the other screen, which will hopefully be soon. Gotta download the models also. I don't know what the heck is happening with Google, but none of this is downloading. Let me try one more time. Then I might have to just download each individually. Alright, so this is all good now. Start off, let's actually convert these models into the proper format. Where did I put? Oh, they're over here. And I'm not gonna do the resting one yet. I'll do that later. But let's run the animation helper program. There we go. So we want to start off with the textures. Let's update. Oh, they're already updated, my bad. Where's the actual render class here? Cannot find this thing. Oh, there we go. Okay. So I don't think anything's too different with the naming, I hope. Oh no. Alright, she used underscores in it. What's your favorite animal in the mod? The red panda. Lots of new. Okay. Let's get these new texture names in. This one 2, 3, and 4. And then this one is just underscore baby. Good. that should be all for that. I can just put the models in now. Models, here we go, okay. No, not that. This here. We'll leave the animation on. Okay, and then 1 second. Alright, last, the animation was all messed up, so let's fix that. What did they change? Thigh left, and I believe it's thigh right. And then whatever the, what was it on the left? I think it was arm base. What was it called? Arm base? No. What could it be called? Leg, I guess? I guess just leg right and leg left. And then let's get the tail working. And get rid of all of this. Okay. Now for the baby model, wherever that is. Do they not use a baby model? They're not even set up for a baby model, okay. I guess I'll add that later. Oh, so what are the parts are? It looks like leg right and leg left are parented to the thigh. Oh, okay. Yes, it does. Oops. Any idea what the front legs would be then? Oh, okay, I'm done. It's thigh right 2. And thigh left 2? No, it's thigh right. Spelled wrong. 2_1. So there should be, oop, I gotta remove the can blink from in here. Oh. Did the blink isn't used and I set the blink to the baby. That's weird. Let's continue anyway. No, I can't show off the octopus yet. So with the new area has been announced as North America, can we get a cougar? All the animals are already picked out for the update, so you just have to wait and see what animals are coming. Okay, they look good. The tail, I despise that, how it looks like that. Let me fix that. Maybe I can... let's see, tail, tip, I guess. We'll try seeing how that changes it. That's definitely a lot better. I feel like I want to invert this all, though. Can we do that? because I want it to like look at me, and I like that a lot more. Okay. And it seems like all the textures are good. The babies though, the baby's just a shrunken down version, so I'm gonna have to do that later. They eat grass. Are they supposed to eat grass? Does anyone know that? What else do we need now? The Bengal tiger and the Amur leopard, I believe, are the next ones. The snake, I don't even, no, not snake, anaconda. It might have a weird animation to it. No, it has nothing yet. Yeah, we're working on it. I have model poses that it's supposed to interchange between, but I just haven't had time to set it up yet. But the iguana seems like it's done. It's definitely too low. I can see it's in the ground. So let me change that. The rattle. Yeah, I haven't. A lot of the like I can go through the like list on Discord now. Let me show you. So here's like the updated list. Here's the roster. This isn't done, but it's in game. This is like partly in game. I don't even know if I have the model. I think I have the model for this, but I haven't added it. I have the model for this, but I can't use it because it's a Taboola model, and I need the Java for it. What even is that? I didn't even know we announced that yet. This I don't think I haven't added, and this I haven't added. So like, all of these I haven't added yet, including this. This I have partly added, but it's not really anything that I would say like counts as being added, because it's like it's just like in progress. But yeah, no, I really didn't even know that we announced that yet. I thought that was still a secret animal. I think I already added that in. I don't remember. I have no idea. I'm going crazy in here. But let's do, how about I finish, I'm going to finish the iguana baby. So I'm going to add the baby model for the iguana. And then I'm going to end the stream off on that. But you guys will hopefully see this update within a few days. But yeah, let's get this done. The Okapi hasn't had a model change, and I don't know if it even is. I don't know. I doubt it's getting one. I have no idea though. Ooh, let's. Does it? No, I don't do anything advanced on here. I don't even need to use Bookworm for this models. Let me just get the line to copy for the base layer, because I'm too lazy to write it from scratch. So no name tag feature on, yeah, no, not yet. So if it's a child and it's not invisible, push, then stuff about our, what do we need? We need to change all the African line stuff first. I sure hope it does eventually, just because the newer models are much more accurate in terms of, what do you mean by that? What are you talking about? Completely forgot what I said. We don't need that. We need this dot rendered out bind texture. Oh, the okapi. Maybe. I don't know. It would be nice though, because I'm not a fan of that model. Go back here because I forgot I actually need this stuff. Because I always forget how it actually is supposed to like go. Here. See that is child. Is child. There we go. And if it's a child, we should not. So if it's not a child, then we'll do this. Okay, let's test this out now. All right, let's see. Should be good, I hope. And then we'll be done, I think. But this will be update 1.5.0. What's today? It's the 28th, so I have to check the calendar. Hold on. Let's see. With any luck, I'd be able to have it done for Saturday or Sunday of next week. So let's hope for that, because I'd like to get all these bugs fixed. Let's see. I forgot to add the layer. Okay. Oh, that's weird. There we go. Okay. And they should be all good now, I hope. That's weird scaling, but I'll fix that off stream. I gotta go for now, but hopefully you guys will all be here for the next stream. And thanks for watching.